Welcome back to our new session. In this session, I'm going to discuss about Excel references, like what are the types of references as well. Okay, there are two types of references in Excel. One is relative reference, two is absolute reference. Okay, now in this session, I'm going to discuss you about the relative reference first. Okay, relative reference is nothing but like in Excel spreadsheet, every cells has their own unique references, like its location, and references are mostly used in formulas to do the calculations and fill functions, and can also be used to continue formula for the sidewards and for upwards, downwards, etc. Okay, like absolute reference is nothing but it's a choice, like we can make. It is also a command to which tells Excel to lock a particular reference, or to lock a particular cell. Okay, and the example for reference I would give as a1, cell a1, and the same for the absolute reference I would give as dollar a dollar one. Okay, like reference relatives, relative references are already relative by default, and this relative references will be without dollar sign, and this absolute references will be always with the dollar signs. Okay, this relative references makes the cell references free, and it gives the functions freedom to continue the order without any restrictions. Okay, like this relative reference will give like the functions to continue in a order with freedom and without restrictions. Okay, and in order to explain you very correctly about the relative reference, I'm going to open the spreadsheet. Okay, here we have discussed about this in our previous topic. Based on this list only, I will explain you like how the relative references will work. Okay, and these are the practice notes which I have given yesterday. I hope you guys have completed this and mentioned the same in the comments as well. Okay, I would go and I would verify, like if there is any comments, then I will reply back to you about the answers. And right now, about the relative reference, let's take a look at this. Okay, normally in the previous concept, like we have discussed about this table based on the formulas. Now I will show you how the relative reference works based on this table. For example, if you want to add, yesterday we have given is equal to, you can select particular cell B2. I have given plus and I have selected C2 and I have clicked enter. Now what is the sum of B2 and C2? It's 34. Like 10 plus 24 is equal to 34. Now if I want to fill the remaining, now the E2 cell formula is like B2 plus C2. Okay, now I will show you like how the relative reference works. I need to get the E3 and E4 cell to be filled with the total. Okay, now I am dragging this with the corner. You could see automatically that B3 and C3, B4 and C4 has been automatically calculated and mentioned the value in here. If you click on this, you could know the formula B3 plus C3. Sorry, here you could take a look like B4 plus C4. Okay, and this order will work as automatically the functions without restrictions, like because we have chosen only these two, B2 plus C2, so the function will work like only for B row and B column and C column. Okay, for example, here Again I have given B2 plus C2 and hit enter. Okay, after this I am dragging this dot in the horizontal pattern, like in the row pattern. Okay, you could see like the values has been changed. 10 plus 24 is equal to 34. And how do what do you think about how did we get 59 and 69? Okay, if you double click on this you will get the formula. See, first it has calculated b2 plus c2, and after it has calculated c2 plus d2. Okay, now for 69, guess the answer and mention in the comments. I am revealing the formula again. Double click. Now it has taken in a serial pattern, like first this b2 cell plus c2 cell, after c2 cell plus d2 cell is in f2 cell, and for g2 cell it automatically taken d2 plus e2. Okay, like it will be based like this cell, like it will go for a pattern in a horizontal pattern. Okay, if you have taken the vertical pattern, like in the column pattern, it will take all the values which you have given. For example, if you have given these three values to calculate here, it will automatically take the rest values as well, like it will calculate in this way for the three cells, for the remaining three cells. And if you have calculated in the horizontal pattern, it will calculate this plus this, and after completing this plus this, after completing this plus this, like it will go in a horizontal pattern. Okay, this is how relative reference will work. Like the function will automatically go on without any restrictions, and the functions will be filled as per the calculation which you have given, like as per the formula which you have mentioned in the starting. Okay, and in our next session where I will show you like how absolute reference will work, and what changes, what are the difference between the absolute reference and relative reference as well. Okay, normally the major difference between the absolute reference and relative reference is like it has dollar sign. Absolute reference has dollar sign and it does not have the dollar sign. That's it, and I request you to give a like for this session, guys, and also please share this video to your friends who are willing to learn Microsoft Excel as well, and also please subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos and give me boost for my upcoming sessions. Thank you, have a great day.